Hi there, I'm Brent from ClearOne, and today we're talking about the Unite line of professional grade cameras. The entire line is optimized for a wide range of applications and environments. They capture pro-quality video of all meeting room participants in any size workspace, from huddle spaces and executive offices to large conference rooms and classrooms. They're designed for those who want professional quality visual collaboration, conferencing, UC applications, distance learning, and more. Today we're taking a closer look at the Unite 50 4K ePTZ. This camera has a lot of exciting features, so let's dive in. You'll see that this is a powerful little camera packed with great features. Most exciting, it now captures 4K video. And when you combine that with a 120-degree ultra-wide-angle field of view, autofocus, 3x digital zoom, wide dynamic support, and super high SNR with advanced 2D and 3D noise reduction, you get professional video quality at a price that can't be beat. So how do you actually use it? We wanted the Unite 50 to be easy to install and connect. That's why you can use a standard damping rotary shaft to mount on any display, and then it's just a single USB 3.0 connection for power and video to your laptop. That's it. And now you have 4K resolution, perfect for video conferencing and popular cloud-based collaboration applications, such as ClearOne's Collaborate Space, Microsoft Teams, Zoom, WebEx, GoToMeeting, and others. You can add your choice of a mic, speakers, and other equipment to build a complete solution for BYOD, web, video, and UC collaboration. All Unite models come with a free 2-year support and maintenance warranty with additional extension options. The Unite 54K ePTZ is available now at a very affordable price. If you want to get your hands on one, call your ClearOne regional sales manager today or visit clearone.com to learn more.